Okay, we're going to talk about a really great feature in HighPoint in the document management side of the equation. As you know, HighPoint is a project and document management system. But how do we talked a minute ago about, uploading 1 and 10 documents at a time, but how do you do this hands-free? How do you get documents in automatically? Well, it's through our MassCapture routine. And let's go right to the library. And let's talk a little bit about mass capturing documents. Okay. What I'm going to demonstrate is if we're in accounting and we want to bring in today's accounts receivable documents that were, already created and we've scanned them in. Let's say we scan a batch of accounts receivable PDFs. Okay. However you did it, however you scanned them. But the question is, how do you get them all in here into the HighPoint repository efficiently? Well, you just navigate to your folder, okay? And let's say you want to bring in August, and let's say you've stored them in a Windows folder, and it looks something like this. Okay, here's a Windows folder. You've got a hierarchy all set up, accounting, receivables 2009, and you've got all your customers in the August folder. Okay, all your PDF images are in their folder. All you need to do is just, copy this path here. So all I've done is just right-click here and do a copy. We'll go right back to HighPoint. We're already at the folder we want to bring them in at. Right-click here and do Mass Capture. And we just paste in that image. Or I'm sorry, that path. We just paste in that path right there. And now what HighPoint will do is bring in every document that's in that path. But more importantly, this is very important to get your arms around, is that the PDF metadata will be indexed inside HighPoint. So whatever metadata is in the title of the PDF, of the subject of the PDF, or the keywords and description. Remember I mentioned description has 16 million characters that we can index and search by. All of that becomes indexed inside HighPoint and searchable. To start the capture, you just click Start Capture, and every document that's in this path here gets brought directly into the HighPoint system in the folder that you chose. Very quick, very efficient. And this is the cool part, vFiler can automatically publish to these Windows folders, and we can script this so that mass capture runs in the background. So imagine every 10 minutes this mass capture just watches and waits and imports documents throughout the day. Very cool.